Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very secret that nobody has ever told you. Yes, it is a secret. Yes, it is also a secret. So I'm going to show you a secret that many people have not told you. You understand? So I'm going to show you the best way to get your 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hours if you are starting with YouTube. If you are watching me very well now, I know that you have a YouTube account and you may know many things. So the best way to get 1000 subscriber, it is very easy to get 1000 subscriber. Don't let anybody fool you. It is very easy when you are creating a valuable content. So it is very easy to get 1000 subscriber, but to get 4000 watch hour is something, is somehow made the problem somehow hard. Meanwhile, the strategy to complete this faster than expectation. So the number one best way to get your 1000 subscriber, please like, comment, share this video, subscribe. That one will do me favor. And the best way to get your 1000 subscriber for the first time is YouTube short video under 30 minutes, video under 15 minutes, video under 20 minutes, video under 60 minutes. It must not, oh, it's the maximum long is 60 seconds. It must not more than 60 seconds. So you post it on, create a short video, 15 seconds to 30 seconds video. That video, that 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 20 minutes video can get you 5,000 subscriber in a week. I'm the one telling you this. If your video is what people are looking for, if your video get quality, like one video can generate you 5,000 subscribers. You see all this subscriber where they see so on my channel, I get all of them from YouTube Shorts, and in less than a month, I'm telling you, in less than a month, I get everything in less than a month. So the best way to get your 1000 subscriber is via YouTube Shorts. Create funny YouTube Shorts. Create a reasonable funny. Create reasonable shorts. Create shorts that people are looking for. Entertaining one. People will subscribe. I'm telling you, people, it's not like on YouTube where long video, not long video, short video like 15 minutes, 10 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes. Even if it is other people's video, people will. I'm not telling you this thing. It work. It's a strategy that has worked. And if you don't know how to create a YouTube short, just comment YouTube shorts under this video, and I will show you how to create it one after the other. And the second one is 4000 watch hour. And the best way to get your 4000 watch hour is a long video and going live. Keep posting relevant long video and keep going live. Once you hit your 1000 subscriber, you may stop posting YouTube shorts for now, because it may not easy for you to get 10 million views in order to qualify for monetization on YouTube, because on YouTube Shorts you need 10 million views to qualify for YouTube Partners program. And if you are creating a long video, you just need 4 hours watch to join Facebook Partner program. So once you get your 1000 subscriber, just switch to long video and keep posting it, and before you know, you get your 4000 subscriber. And while doing this, keep going live. Your life also counts. Keep going live. Whatever you are doing, turn it to live video. And once you are doing it, the YouTube is recognizing your weekly activities. So if they see that you are serious, you keep going, like they will push your video to more people. And now that I have discovered the secrets and the act that to get monetized on YouTube in a very few months, I hope you will do me a favor. Subscribe. That's what I need. Don't give me money. I don't need your money. But subscribe, like, comment, share to your friend, and that will help me a lot. And as always, see you in my next video.